Everybody, it's Tina Plackinger. Just wanted to make a quick video here and let you know, this is a praise report. This is staying in the fight. Okay, this is staying in the fight. All right, let's see if I can get this okay. All right, there's the lawnmower tractor. And what happened was the front wheel came off again, okay? The front wheel came off. So, I had the Sears guy come out here, the home repairs Sears dude. I had him come out here to, he put a new bushing on that wheel, okay? And I bet you I don't have 12 hours on that bushing. But what happened was, it overheated, and there's a U-shaped lock washer thing that goes into the groove of that long spoke that the wheel sits on. Yeah, they break in half. So I happen to have them. I had 2 extra ones, which I bought the last time I had to deal with this, before the Sears guy ever came out and changed the bushing. So that was very cool. That was a plus. That's being on my own and being targeted for so many years. That's what that is. Preparing for things, knowing that things can happen, especially when it comes to me trying to get repairs done, okay, properly. All right, because that's the doorway back in. So that's always an issue. So I jacked it up and, got the wheels straight back on it, okay? And then I greased it with some WD-40. It was very hot. It was very, very hot. And then I got the U-shaped lock washer thing down in that groove. Realized then that I didn't put the 2 big washers on first. Problem. So then I had to pray, okay? And I was able to get that U-shaped lock washer thing back off, put the 2 big washers back on, and then slide that thing back down and put the cap on. So anyways, I'm ready to roll here. I'm very proud of myself because, I could have gotten into the F-its on that, okay, and then sat in the house and have not gotten anything done. And, been the victim that people try to make me, okay? And believe me, I sulk, don't think I don't. But this time, I was ready. I was ready. I had everything that I needed. The wrench to get the jack up, all of it. Knew where to put the jack. Had the WD-40 because I was just greasing my equipment with that, the cables and stuff. Was in shape, 16 weeks of training in shape to do this. So, you know what? That's a proud moment. Thank you, Jesus. We stay in the fight and we focus on Jesus. And I think when we focus on Him, He likes that. And when we do call out for Him to help, then He does. Because we're in conscious contact with Him at all times. So that was kind of cool. The faucet that the plumber put on for me on the back deck less than a month ago, you guys knew when the plumber came out. Yeah, that's dripping. That's dripping. And of course I called him and I said it was defective. The cold water knob, when you shut it all the way off, it drips like crazy. And you have to turn it back about 1 inch for it to stop dripping. Well, he told me that my water pressure in the house is too high, so he has to put in a regulator. Well, I hope that he does. I sometimes I don't come across like I would normally if I hadn't been, abused so often when it comes to repairs. So I hope the guy comes out. I think that he's right. I think I have a lot of plumbing problems because I have too much water pressure coming in. And it's just so weird to me. All the work I had done after my dad died, all the work that this one plumber did that won't come out anymore, all the work that he did and all the work that the contractors did, okay? And who, they take orders, okay, from headquarters. So they're not one of them, all the work that they did, not one of them mentioned water pressure to me. So this person did, and of course when he did, I was just like, I balked at it. And anyways, I just hope and pray that everything will be all right. So we stay in the fight and we focus on Jesus. God bless you, and I will see you guys soon. Okay. And it was really nice being prepared today. it was nice. I was prepared. I was prepared physically. I was prepared emotionally and spiritually. Mentally, I got a little PO'd there for a second, but you know what? I handled it pretty well, and now it's time to finish my job here. So, okay, talk to you soon. Bye.